Hey there! In this video I want to show you the new visual defaults. It's March 2026 and this was just released, the new Power BI release, and these new visual defaults are amazing. If you haven't heard about them, so much has changed. We now have like this standard subtitles, there's uniform padding, we have smooth lines, we have a gray canvas background, and the canvas size has increased, so it's not the small canvas size anymore by default. The slicers now have a default drop down, which makes so much sense. And the buttons have a really refreshed appearance. Last but not least, the legend in your visual is now at the bottom left, and it all just looks so much cleaner. And I want to show you a before and after. So I made a screenshot for you. Here you see a before, and I want to show you also how this looks with these new visual defaults. I really like most of these new defaults, and keep in mind, if there's one of these defaults and you don't like them, you can still change them. The only thing that changed is that you open Power BI and you will see these defaults. And now if you wonder, how can I see this? My Power BI still looks like this, like what you see on my screen here. You need to activate this at the moment. So you need to go to the settings, and you can find that button at the bottom right, and then you need to go to preview features. And if you have downloaded the new version of Power BI, so the March version of Power BI, you have the option when you click on preview features to see modern visual defaults and customizing theme improvements, and you need to select that. And then you need to restart Power BI first before these changes apply. So if you have an existing report, changing this will not make a difference itself at that moment. You will need to go to view and select the default theme, so it's not automatically overwritten. I will show you how this report would look like if you enabled the new visual defaults and you selected the new theme. I have a report here for you, and you directly see the screen size has really increased. And the thing that also shows up immediately is the gray background. In the old visual defaults, the background was white. Everything was white, so you couldn't see is stuff aligned or not. Often people change the background color because of that. So now we have this background color, and you see the default page size now is this big page size. If I go to format and we go to canvas setting, you see the type is custom, and you see this is the new default page size. And going back, you see we have a filter here, a slicer with the year, and you can also see the buttons, like they look a little bit more smooth, like with the blue background when stuff is selected. I can show you again the old report. There we see the buttons look like this, which is a lot. It's very in your face with the black background here. And the slicer, you see standard, the year filter was this slicer thingy. So let's go back to our report. We also see the new card visual here. It looks very nice. Going back to the old version, it looks very bulky. It's just a lot going on in there. And I think the biggest difference that you will immediately see is the lines. In the old version we have these lines, and in the new version we have smooth lines. You see it here in the combined visual, but here also in a line chart. Now, if you say, I really hate smooth lines, there are reasons why you wouldn't use them. You could still go to the format pane, lines, and then say interpolation type linear, and then you have the old version back. So it's just one click away. And before you had the other version, and people that wanted smooth lines had to do this. So now it's the other way around. But you can still change it if you don't agree with it. And you also see we have some subtitles. And subtitles are so valuable. We had subtitles before, but you really had to enable them, and a lot of people didn't do that. In a lot of my sessions I told people you can add subtitles, and people were like, wow, can I do that? I've never seen that. Now you have them by default. And again, if you don't like them, you can just go to the format pane, title, subtitle, and turn them off. So you always have the choice here. You also see we have a really neat padding around our visual. I can show you actually the settings for that. It's like 1460 16, 16, 16. And that looks so much better than the padding we had before. I can show you here. There was almost no distance between like the visual and what we see and everything around. So that was added, and that makes it look immediately a lot cleaner. And you see the legend is at the bottom left. Again, you can also change that in the formatting pane, but now the legend is standard at the bottom left. So these are the new visual defaults. So what you have to do to get this is you actually have to download the new version of Power BI, the March 2026 version. You have to enable the feature, the preview feature. And then if you work with an existing report, you actually have to enable the new theme because Power BI is not overwriting it automatically. And if you start a new report, and you have the feature enabled, and it will start automatically with the new theme. And if you already changed some stuff, conditional formatting or things, and you don't see the visuals change, make sure that you click on them, go in the format pane and say reset all settings to default. So I'm very curious what you think about these new defaults. I'm very happy with most of them. I mean, there's always some personal preferences, but I love that the slicers have this drop down. I love the new look of the buttons because they already look quite okay. I'm a big fan of like the new page size. So let me know in the comments what you think about this. And try it yourself. It's so fun to see all the stuff that has changed.